Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you get the most out of your tech. Today we're diving into a super handy feature on Samsung Galaxy phones, enabling SMS delivery reports. First things first, unlock your Samsung Galaxy and head over to your Messages apps. It's the little envelope icon that can't miss. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the Messages settings. This might look a little different depending on your model, but you're looking for those three dots. In the settings menu, look for the more options or just settings, then tap on text message or SMS. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see delivery reports. By default, this option is turned off. To enable it, simply switch the toggle to the on position. And that's it, you've successfully turned on SMS delivery reports. Now whenever you send a text message, you'll get a notification confirming its delivery to the recipient. No more guessing if your message has been seen or wondering if it got lost in the digital ether. And just like that, you're a step closer to mastering your Samsung Galaxy phone. SMS delivery reports are a simple yet effective way to keep track of your messages, ensuring they're getting where they need to go.